We were contacted by the project manager of this church to implement a reliable Wi-Fi system throughout. After doing the Ekahau Wi-Fi survey, we decided to implement Ruckus R510 access points. You can see one of the access points there just below the wooden beam. We vinyl wrapped it in brown so it matches the colour of the beam. Normally they come in white. One of the reasons the church wanted Wi-Fi throughout was to implement an audio guide for the patrons to explain the history of this church. Here you can see some original graffiti dating back to the 17th century. Another access point was placed in the rafters just above here. Sadly, the video does not capture that. The other access point was placed in the office going up the stairs there. The internet to the church is provided by a point-to-point system which is linked to the parish hall. This is the slave point-to-point system which links to the master. This is the parish hall where the actual internet connection is. This master point-to-point is creating a wireless bridge to the church so the church also has internet.